Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm here to talk to you about the 1080p hidden button camera. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. And if you'd like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper right hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. Right in the middle of this button is a hidden spy camera that records audio and high definition 1080p video. Certain situations may call for hidden cameras to be worn on the body, either for personal protection or just to make your job easier. Process servers could use a camera like this to prove that they had served someone their court papers. Contractors could use it to snap photos or create a video walkthrough of their job sites. And if you're a victim of abuse in your home or office, a quick button sequence can help provide the evidence you need to take to human resources or to the courts. Now, take a close look at me. If you don't see anything out of the ordinary, I don't blame you. But I'm actually wearing the button camera just to give you an idea as to how easy it can be to conceal this recorder. Before using the device, you'll need to do a little prep work. Charge the device for about 2 hours to ensure it's fully charged for 45 minutes to an hour of use. Then insert a compatible SD card. You're going to press and hold the bottom power button for 2 seconds, causing the unit to turn on and vibrate. Then you're going to want to press and hold the top play button for about 2 seconds. It will vibrate again and begin recording. Don't worry though, during the actual recording the button camera will not vibrate at all. Beyond a great 1080p video quality, the button camera can also snap photos. These pictures have an incredible resolution of 2048 by 1536, providing a much better still image than the video. So it's a perfect way to capture photographs of documents or attempting to catch a computer screen. To snap a picture, you're going to turn it on the same way by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. It vibrates and goes into standby mode. Tap rather than pressing and holding the play button. This will snap a photo. The unit will vibrate and then the camera will go back into standby mode. When reviewing your files, you may find that the timestamps are off. Set the time for future recordings each time you plug the camera into a computer to keep it updated. Watch this little time setup video. The process of me doing this on a Mac computer is essentially the same, with only a few differences. Instead of Notepad, you use the text edit program. When you've created the document and included the current or future time, click on the text edit preferences to disable wrap to page and enable save as plain text. Unless the camera runs out of battery, it should retain this date and timestamp. Take a look at this quality demonstration to see if this product is right for you.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the 1080p button camera comes with. So the first thing you'll notice is of course the camera itself. So the unit does have a very simplistic just build and style to it when it comes down to it. You'll notice a power button as well as a play and pause, your SD card slot, and the USB charging port. So real quick, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to insert the SD card here, just to give you an idea. And then we'll go ahead and show you everything else that it comes with. So you also notice that you do have the data transfer and charge cord. So this is what you're going to use to plug into your computer or laptop to download the information, as well as charge the unit. And of course, you have your manual. So this manual just gives you a basic overview as to how the product works, so we can get you rolling.
Alrighty guys, so this is a quality demonstration of the 1080p button camera. So keep in mind, everything that you're about to see and hear is being recorded by this device right now. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to take it over there and show you what it can do. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is your quality demonstration at 20 feet. Lastly, this is the quality demonstration on the 1080p button camera at 30 feet. The HD Micro button camera comes equipped with a rechargeable internal battery that lasts between 45 to 60 minutes on a single charge. Recharge the device by plugging it into your computer with the included cable. Review and store what you've recorded by plugging the camera and USB cable into any Windows or Mac-based computer. You can use programs like Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or iTunes to play back the incredible 1080p footage. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, or feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like and subscribe for more feature tutorial videos.